This is the current bathroom. I'm not going to talk too much about where things are, like new things are going. You can just see the before and after. So it's got like the blue and like light blue tiles on the wall. Here we have a cupboard as soon as you step in, which is mostly now empty. All my stuff's gone. There's also a cupboard lower down, sink, mirror, towel rail. Velux window, there's only one light in here that works. The loo is currently down there. Have a big old bath with a shower, and then this light here doesn't work. So that is the before and how the bathroom obviously currently is. So now you can see the difference between this and this, which is the after, apart from the painting work, but that's not going to be done for another couple of weeks. So yeah, this is the after. I'm going to put the lights on. There's a lot of light in here. You can see how much brighter it is. Oh, the loo seat's up. I'll just push that down. You can see how much like brighter it is. And then if I switch these lights off, there's some other lights which are there, also over there, and I'll show you some other lights in a second. So that's what the lights like on its own look like, just if you're having a nice bath or something. But these are like the main lights, so you can see the difference in like how bright it is. And I'm gonna step in, shut the door. The door also needs to be painted still, but like I said, it's not going to happen for a little while. So all around we have white tiles that completely cover this wall here. So this is where the old bath was, and we have a nice new shower in there, like a corner shower with a really nice head. The guy has literally just finished putting the shower in like half an hour ago. So this is the shower head. It's like a square one, has one of the like little things you can take off and use. There are also these inbuilt shelves. So before, the bath had a little shelf to it which was about, I don't know, down here maybe or something, and they had to bring the wall out anyway, so they have popped in this shelving, which if I switch the light on, you can see that it's all lit up. So if you're in the shower in an evening, you can just have like that on there. So we each have a shelf to put our things on, but the shower's like a pretty decent size. Like I can't, it's a bit wet in there, so I don't want to stand in there yet, but it's a really decent size. That's the shower fittings. I think that's enough talk about the shower. Then if you go here, this is similar to where the toilet used to be. It's just like shifted along. The toilet used to be just there. So this is where the bath came to. Again, we have some more shelves. They've brought this wall out to make the shelves like go in. So this is originally where the wall came to, if that makes sense. And then they've just kind of angled it off there, and it blends into the, is it an alcove? No, what's the word I'm looking for? To the ceiling, you know, into the slant. It's all got like chrome detailing on, so it all matches with handles and stuff. Then we have toilet. It's a pretty bog standard loo. Bog? No. And then we have a little just like standard. We wanted everything to be quite square, so like the taps and stuff are all square, so that's like a square fitting on there, obviously, as well as the shower. Then we have the bath here. I think this was the best place for the bath to go. So the tiles go up the side of the bath, obviously with the lights. There's a square ish, you know, taps on the bath. Then there's the tiles up to there. I think this was the best option for the bath to be underneath this slope. I'm going to put the light back on so you can see a bit brighter. It was the best place for the bath to go. It definitely makes the room feel a lot longer and obviously wider, because you can see the full like width of it. So all of this, where it is just like the plaster on, is going to be obviously painted. We have a towel rail here, again chrome, next to the bath. Also I haven't put any of my belongings or anything in there yet because the guy has literally just left. Then in this section here, which is where the cupboard used to be, we have got a, I don't want to like stand in it just so you can see, we've got a touch of like sensitive mirror, which again is really nice when the lights, like the low lights are on, the bath, and these ones up here. It's really nice. Again, the tiles go to there. Then we have again a square tap, which is really, really nice and square. I thought this was really like fancy looking, like a square. I've never seen a square one before. And then we have a grey cupboard underneath the sink, but I like that it's pushed back in there. It just saves loads of room. Oh, there's just some hair stuff in there, but that, oh, and some loo roll. So that's that. I think I'm also going to do like a organise my bathroom, like how I organise it and stuff, because I've got some things to go in here. And obviously before we used to have all of this up here as a cupboard, and now we have a lot less storage, I guess, than we used to have. Obviously we've got the shelves there and there, but I was going to do a video all about organisation, so if you want to see that, then let me know. The floor also is like a marble, like grey marble, which matches the kitchen, and obviously these cupboards like match the kitchen one, so it all kind of like flows throughout the house. But that's what the floor looks like, and I think that is pretty much everything. If you're wondering what colour is going to go on here, we're just going to have like a light off-whitish, maybe a really light grey colour to like match this and maybe the floor, but nothing that is like dark at all. And the door, we're going to try and get this paint off so that the door is like this wood colour, and I think that is it. So I hope that you like these kind of videos. I have done another one before of my kitchen. In case you haven't seen it, I will pop it down below for you. If you do like these kind of videos, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so I know that you like them. We're having some other work done to other things in the house, so I will definitely film them and share with you like the before and after. If you like these kind of videos, give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button before you leave to see more videos from me, and I will see you all very soon for another video. Also, let me know if you'd like to see how I organise the bathroom with all my nice little bits in. See you very soon, bye!